My name is Majid Kumar. Roll number 19MS179. In this term paper, I tackle the problem that is there any possibility that life on our planet might begin near hydrothermal vent? First of all, why did we think that life begin near hydrothermal vent? There are many reasons for that. One of them is that for any life to begin, they must need a sustainable source of energy, and hydrothermal vent provide that source of energy by pH and thermal gradient. And also, hydrothermal vent provide protection from harsh UV radiation of early Earth, which is not possible near narrow sea floor. Second of them is that gene expression of lost universal common ancestor suggests that lost universal common ancestor live in a hot oxygen free palace and harvest energy from chemical gradient like a one-set hydrothermal vent. Third of them is that most hypotheses regarding origin of life mainly lack the source of reduced carbon compound, but CO2 reducing geochemistry of modern hydrothermal vent, which is very similar to Hadean period, gave a strong clue that life might begin at a hydrothermal vent. From above reason, we can easily conclude that there is a very high possibility that life begin near hydrothermal vent. But we know there are two kinds of hydrothermal vent, black smoker and white smoker. Now we have to decide that which hydrothermal vent is better for life to begin. Since black smoker release acidic CO2 rich water heated to 100 degrees Celsius and packed with sulfur, iron and other metal essential to life, but black smoker were too hot for last universal common ancestor to survive. So top candidate for cradle of light are white smoker. White smoker formed by process serpentization and emit high pH hydrothermal fluid in the ancient ocean with a water being somewhat acidic around pH 6 and containing carbon dioxide. The alkaline vent will release their basic fluid around pH 10 containing much hydroxide and dihydrogen, and the water from vent will make the ambient water rich in carbon dioxide as the alkaline vent swept their chemical ultramafic ocean crust, which is rock containing mostly iron, magnesium oxide and potassium below the vent. Underwent the process serpentization. All will become the mineral serpentine through the process serpentization, which produce hydrogen, methane, minor amount of formate, ammonia and calcium with trace amount of acetate. These compound and element can use in the formation of organic compound. Now, alkaline vent are very porous and have semiconducting barrier that helps generate reductive potential. The more negative the potential, more likely the compound is going to lose electron and become oxidized. The porous in the alkaline vent containing iron, nickel and sulfur which exist together that facilitate the movement of electron. When dihydrogen is in water at a pH 10, the process of combining it with a carbon dioxide can be catalyzed by iron sulfide barrier and produce a natural proton gradient resulting in formaldehyde, and the further reaction produce formate, ribose, deoxyribose and other simple organic compound. These compound can occur within the pore of the vent generating protocell. To prove our hypothesis that life on Earth might begin at hydrothermal vent, we will electrochemical reactor to simulate early alkaline hydrothermal vent and try to produce organic compound from reactor. After simulating, we get the result that within the reactor vessel thin wall, inorganic structure precipitated containing catalytic iron nickel sulfate microcrystal. When translated by pH gradient These precipitate appear to capable of reducing CO2 to form low yield of simple single carbon compound including formate and formaldehyde and a range of sugar including ribose and deoxyribose. There are some problem and difficulty in our hypothesis. Can we really make carbon dioxide react with hydrogen to make more complex molecule like amino acid nucleotide? I am fairly confident that we can do, but we have not demonstrated it. Other difficult questions include whether lipid membrane can stabilize in seawater with its high calcium and magnesium ion concentration. But the big problem thermodynamics driving force is solved by hydrothermal vent. Hence, we can't rule out the possibility that life begin at a deep sea hydrothermal vent. From this experiment, I get my answer that yes, there is possibility that life might begin near hydrothermal vent because from our simulation we get simple carbon compound like formaldehyde and sugar which is earliest step to form life. If life evolves and arises at a highly extreme climate, then there is possibility that life may exist Jupiter moon Europa and Saturn moon Euclides because they both have hydrothermal vent beneath icy sheet. Hence there is a highly possibility that life may exist outer planet. Hence for better understanding about origin of life we need to explore more hydrothermal vent.